Hello, Namaste, welcome to this kitchen. This is my first attempt on YouTube channel. So let's start with a formal introduction. My name is Tisha Luhar and this channel will allow happiness in homemade. Well, I have heard a lot of time that eating is necessity, but cooking is art. So let's start. Today's recipe is the pasta al pomodoro. Well, pasta al pomodoro is the national dish of Italians. So let's start with making it. So for making pasta al pomodoro, you're gonna need this ingredients: olive oil, chili flakes, salt to taste, finely chopped onion, garlic, some tomato puree, some basil leaves, butter, cherry tomato, and yes, the key ingredient is the spaghetti. I had already boiled it, and some cheese. So let's start. The final product is ready, so you can see the pasta pomodoro is ready to eat. So please subscribe my channel This Kitchen for watching more videos. So please watching. Thank you.